Hello, good morning dear students. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss more about the section changes around us. As we discussed in the last class, there are two types of changes. They are first one reversible. And second one irreversible. So let us come to the context. What is reversible change, and next what is irreversible change? So a change that can be reversed or that can be made into the initial position, that is called reversible change. Irreversible change means obviously the opposite of reversible change, that cannot be brought back into the initial stage, that is called irreversible. In simple words, if there is any object, for example this chalk, if this chalk is broke into two, what happens when you break it? When I break into two, can this be reversed? Can I again form a chalk from this? No, not at all possible, isn't it? So if I want to get a chalk with the initial condition itself, I have to make it into powder, and from that I have to mold again. Then it is reversible. I can't join this like this. So it is irreversible there. But if you have a clay, you know what is clay? That you make with your eraser sometimes. Or you may be playing with some clays that can be used to model different shapes. So this clay that can be modeled into different ways. So first of all, let you imagine you made something as image of some box or image of some pencil with that clay. You modeled that clay into a pencil. The next time you can model it in the shape of a brick, a small brick, or you can model it into any other shape. You can make a shape of triangle with that. At the same time, when you again remold it, you can make shape of a square or a cube with that clay. So that is reversible change, that can be made into the initial position again. That is reversible change. But some changes, if you are making the same thing with some what we say plaster of Paris, you know, when you get some accidents, hospital boy accident with plaster of Paris. So if you make some of the objects with this plaster of Paris, we can't remold it into another shape. So that is irreversible change. So the changes that can be brought back into the initial position or condition, that is called reversible change. That cannot be brought back into initial condition, that is called irreversible change. So when you are blowing some air into the balloon will be shaped like a ball. At first it was shaped like this, a balloon which is shaped like this, and when you blow some air, what happens? It gets a shape of a ball. And again when you release out the air from this balloon, you will get the initial state. That is, it is a reversible change that can be reversed. But some of the things can't be reversed. If you are burn paper using matchstick or lighter, you burn a paper. Can it be reversed? Can you get back the paper from the ash? After burning paper, there will be some ash. Can we get back the paper from that ash? No, not at all possible. So it is irreversible change. Do you understand the difference? നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ച് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ തിരിച്ച് അതേ ഷേപ്പിൽ കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ reversible changes, and we do not get it back in the initial condition, that is irreversible change. So that is all about reversible and irreversible changes. Now you can see an activity in your textbook. There is several activity, as I told, making plane with paper. It's not reversible change. We can't get back the paper again. Only by pasting we can get it. Now you can see in page number 48, table 6.1, you can see raw egg to boiled egg. So we make boiled egg from a egg, that is normal egg, raw egg. From that we make, or we boil that egg. Can we get back the raw egg from the boiled egg? No, not at all possible. So you have to tick no here. No. Batter to idli. So from the, what we can say, maavu, from that we make idli. Can we get back the batter back from the idli? No, not at all possible. Wet clothes to dry clothes. That is possible, isn't it? So we make dry clothes. After washing, we put the clothes in some hangs, or we hang some clothes in the sunlight area where we get sunlight. So what happens? After some time it gets dried. Can we make it again wet? Yes, it's possible. By dipping it in water, we can again make it wet. So wet clothes to dry clothes, that is reversible change. So you have to put yes on the. Then woolen yarn to knitted sweater. So from yarn you know what is yarn, you know. We studied already in the chapter fiber. So from that we are making a sweater. By stitching we make a sweater. And can we get back the yarn? So that is a reversible or irreversible change. You have to note the, and then from grain to floor. You know what is floor? Body. From grain we make flour. And can we get grain back from the flour? If yes, it is reversible. If no, it is irreversible. So you have to write yes or no on that columns. Hope you will complete the column. So that's a very easy topic. What is reversible and irreversible change, that you have to understand. Reversible change means we will get back the product, the initial product back. That is reversible change. In irreversible change we cannot get back the product. നമ്മളൊരു പേപ്പർ കത്തിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് പേപ്പർ കിട്ടില്ല, ചാരത്തിൽ നിന്നും പേപ്പർ ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ കഴിയില്ല. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് ഇറിവേഴ്സിബിൾ. നമ്മളൊരു ക്ലേ മോഡൽ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വീണ്ടും ക്ലേ എങ്ങനെയാണോ നിന്നിരുന്നത് അതേപോലെ തന്നെ ആക്കാൻ കഴിയും. സോ ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് എ റിവേഴ്സിബിൾ ചേഞ്ച്. സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് ദ ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ റിവേഴ്സിബിൾ ആൻഡ് ഇറിവേഴ്സിബിൾ ചേഞ്ച്. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.